Come with me to make these delicious tacos. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Chispa. Today we're going to be cooking tacos Gobernador. What we're going to be needing is shrimp, mayo, Oaxaca cheese, chipotle adult sauce, butter, salt as you're liking, poblano peppers cut into little squares, dice, Anaheim pepper cut into little square dice, tomatoes cut into little square dice, onion cut into little square dice, and garlic cut into little square dice. Now you're gonna put the butter in the pan. And you're gonna put a little bit of oil inside. Now you're gonna add your vegetables that are cut in half into squares. Now you're gonna want to mix it. Now we're gonna be mixing them. Wow, that or wasting time with that cooking. We're gonna be mixing the mayo with the chipotle double sauce. Now we're gonna put this in the vegetables. Now we're gonna put the shrimp inside of. Now we're gonna cook it. I messed that up. Now when the shrimp is pink reddish, it's ready. Now you're gonna want to put the cheese on top of this. Grab one tortilla, put it on top of it. And now my grandma's gonna help me flip it. Now you're gonna want to put the shrimp inside of the tortilla with the cheeses and everything. It's good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if I can do it, you can do it. Bye.